So we are here today for the first annual Pete Corapi Memorial Tournament. It's a wheelchair sports basketball tournament in memory of a Fairfax Falcons player named Pete Corapi. We are here to promote awareness about neighborhood and community services programs, as well as promote awareness about wheelchair basketball. We have teams from Long Island, New York, Richmond, Virginia, Philadelphia. There's teams all over the East Coast that came here, 7 teams total, who are participating in the event today.
The Fairfax Falcons is a Paralympic program that is it's an NCS sponsored program, and it's for athletes with physical disabilities. It's year-round, and primarily we do basketball, but during the summer we'll do fishing, we'll do golf, we'll do trail runs, just kind of activities to kind of, I guess, diversify their exposure to different athletics. Pete definitely had a tremendous amount of drive for basketball. Anytime there was a basketball, he would go at it and he'd grab it and want to go out and shoot. He was a tremendous athlete and an incredible competitor.
It's bittersweet. I'd rather not have the memorial part of the tournament, but the fact that we have something that honors his passion for the game, but more importantly promotes this team, because this team meant so much to him, and I think it means so much to the kids that play on this team, that if this is the vehicle that gets them the notoriety to play and gets more kids to become part of the Fairfax Falcons, then it was well worth it.
And it is because of the kindness and the generosity of friends and family that this tournament is possible.
This is my second year playing with the Falcons. I love playing with them because for years I was always the kid on the sideline watching everybody else play, and now I'm in the game playing and I absolutely love it. I've learned leadership skills, but also a lot of teamwork skills, how to work better with people, how to work with people that are maybe differently abled. So I learned to work with people with their abilities, and I can, if somebody, for example, can't catch a shot, can't catch a basketball up here, I can throw it to them down here, and I just learned, it makes me be a lot more flexible.
So Neighborhood and Community Services is always looking for more participants, volunteers, and staff to support our programs. If you are interested in participating, volunteering, or employment, you would visit our website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/NCS, or you could call us at our office, the Therapeutic Recreation Department, at 703-324-5532.